Well, he apologized. He held a token fast, but the controversy surrounding Ajit Pawar's crass remark is just refusing to die down. The opposition has stepped up its attack against the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister, threatening to stall the assembly. With pressure now mounting on Ajit Pawar, will he be forced to step down?
He calls it the biggest mistake of his political career. A mistake that threatens to cost him his job.
अशाच प्रकारचं एक विधान बाबासाहेब भोसलेंनी 81 साली केलं होतं. ते अजूनपर्यंत अनेक लोक महाराष्ट्रातले विसरलेले नाहीत. तर मला असं वाटतं की आज अजित पवार बोललेली गोष्ट ही पुढची किमान 50 वर्ष तरी महाराष्ट्र विसरणार नाही.
The opposition unrelenting in its attack, refusing to buy Ajit Pawar's half-hearted apology.
राज्यातल्या जनतेची मनापासून माफी मागतो. त्यांनी मला माफ करावं अशी विनंती करतो.
Forcing the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister to adopt a more tangible method of atonement with a token one-day fast in Maharashtra's Karad town.
मी कुठला राजकीय स्वार्थाकरता किंवा काही केलं नाही. तसं जर करायचं असतं तर मी आधीच प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतली असती, सगळ्याला सांगितलं असतं. तसं काहीच मला करायचं नाही. माझ्या स्वतःच्या मला कुठेतरी ते मन हे होत होतं.
No matter how hard he tries, the controversy over his distasteful mockery of the state's drought just refuses to die down. And adding fuel to the fire is a water scam that exposes the hypocrisy behind the sadistic humor, giving the opposition its strongest arsenal against Pawar Jr. as they prepare to stall Maharashtra Assembly.
If Ajit Pawar is very sincere about his mistake and he wants to repent, then he should resign from the Deputy CM post and go and work in the drought area for 1 year.
With the storm only growing stronger with each passing day, will the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister be forced to step down for the second time? Bureau Report, Times Now.